I'm Mike, and
I'm Dawn.
Dawn is my sister. As you can tell, we're twins. And we're over here at Stacy Lim's Slim Fitness, just practicing some stuff, some easy stuff. Dawn, how long have you been doing this?
Not too long. Long enough.
So here's a cruel joke. I just showed Dawn this today, and then we're going to attempt to record it and kind of sort of teach it. Kind of sort of. It's more of a notebook as opposed to a formal lesson. But we are working toe heel swivels in closed position. So let's say we are working the close, rock, step, triple, triple, and I switch to a palm-to-palm grip. I'm pushing into Dawn, she pushes into me. I'm going to turn Dawn's back to you because you see my fingers on her back. I will be doing this in, out, pushing and pushing, twisting motion on her back, because after initial rock step, we're going to go toe. And we're going to back up a little bit towards the bench here so you can see us. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. But that only works and if I lead it properly. If I don't lead it properly, it won't work. If she doesn't react properly, it won't work. But if we're both in sync, we should be able to do this. Okay, so we're going rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, toe, heel, toe, heel, and I'm circling around Dawn. When I get to the heel part is when I can get out of it with a rock, step, triple, triple. I'm going to turn around this way so you can see the hand on the back. Rock, step, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Now, if you want to play around with it while Dawn is doing this, you could fan out leads with your foot. Dawn can do that too if she chose to.
This is I'm just learning. I don't get too fancy just yet.
Okay, but Dawn could if she wanted to. She just doesn't feel like showing off, right? Okay. But, so you can play around with that. So you can scoop with that. And rock, step, triple, triple. And any kind of release to get out of it would work. And of course, anything in open. Now this gets us used to doing the same motion in open position. For instance, right here, I've got Dawn in a sugar push, and I will, at the end of the sugar push, get into a palm to palm. Now, using framing, leading, heel, toe, heel. And again, that same fancy thing, if I wanted to, I could play around with that. That's it, Dawn, you got it. And rock, step, triple turn, triple step. Any kind of open position. I'm going to do a full U. Any kind of open position turn to get out of it will work. We'll try it to music. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Toe, heel, toe, heel. And if you wanted to, you could fan it or not, up to you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Little skip there. I'm going to turn Dawn's back to the screen so you can see how my hand leads the back. Toe, heel, heel. And if you wanted to fan it, you can. Don't have to. Rock, step, roll, triple. Rock, step, triple. And that's basically how we work toe heel swivels in our dancing. Might as well make me announce it. August 19th. Where's it? 21st?
21st.
Whoop! August 21st. I'm not going to edit that because we're dancing. August 21st. Right here at Stacy Lim's Slim Fitness. August 21st. Saturday, August 21st. We are doing a smooth style Lindy Hop, as well as Collegiate Shag. So Star Lindy and Collegiate Shag Workshop. I'll just do it. Right here at Stacy Lim's Slim Fitness. Details are in the description of the video. Otherwise, if you're watching this on YouTube and you're not in our area, no worries. We'll do more videos up on YouTube. Subscribe. But if you are in the Bay Area, you might want to check out the workshop on Saturday, August 21st. And we'll catch you next time.